Welcome in the FIFA 26, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to deactivate the shooting assistance in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy! As the first step, we have to open this gear icon over here from the main page to move to the settings, and then tap on the game settings and make sure that you are in the gameplay tab. After that, you can see on the top the shoot assistance. You can change it to manual, precision or assisted. All depends of your preferences. In the manual, the direction you aim is the direction the shoot travels. If you choose to precision, then shot direction will be partially assisted. I mean that the goal results in more accurate shots and faster ball speeds. And obviously on the assisted, all of the shots will be assisted to ensure the player always aims towards the goal. If you are an old FIFA player, then you will choose to manual obviously, but if you want to have a little assistance, then precision or assisted is also good. That would be all for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!